Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update on NIO, ticker NIO, trading here on the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, we have some very interesting price action here, and it's absolutely not a surprise, guys, what we saw yesterday. The market was quite red. We can see here the official watch list. It is not a bloodbath or a sell-off, but we can see that a lot of stocks corrected a little bit, and we know that we have to do something here with NIO. If we want to continue to squeeze, we have to get back to some certain price levels, and this gap down here, guys, we gapped yesterday, or we had a gap down yesterday. You can see now here this hole or this gap in the chart, minus 6.5% in total. Then we closed here at $15.15, and this is, guys, absolute not and coincidence. I have no idea what the news saying here, and I don't care, because I will show you that that was so predictable, and I said that already in my previous videos, that this price level here is the key. So guys, we start here with the chart. As you know, this is my opinion based on the technicals here, based on the chart, not financial advice. The main purpose is to educate you in trading. That's why we dive here into several chart techniques for NIO. And also, if you want to see my other short squeeze play stocks, guys, then you can of course check out my other videos here on the channel. So let's enable the drawings, and you will directly see that this is not a coincidence and no surprise. If you didn't see my previous videos, $5.37, guys, this pink line here in the chart is and has been always the make it or break it price level for NIO. What does that mean, guys? When the price is trading above this pink line here, $5.37, then this is usually in favor for the bulls. We see here some technical reactions, even some squeezes are possible. And when the price is trading below this trend line here, $5.37, then the bears coming in, guys, and try to short the stock down or bring the price down, accumulating their positions before we see here a continuation of the squeeze. And when I zoom in, guys, you will see this is exactly on the dot what happened yesterday. The market makers used the low volatility or the low volume extended hours here to bring the price down, and exactly now we are back here below $5.37. And what happens now? What the bulls doing the same, guys. It's not only the bears. A lot of people just talk about short selling and short sellers and bearish market makers. The bulls doing the same, guys. Now we have here plus 5.8% in the pre-market, and you can see that the bulls, just to bring the price back again over $5.37 in the pre-market. As I said, the low volume extended hours, the pre and after market, the market makers used that to, let's call it, drive the price. We won't say the word manipulate, guys. Yeah, make your own due diligence here. So, but what do we have, guys? So technically, this is here a very beautiful shakeout, because usually, yeah, I said that also in my previous videos, usually we have here support at the 786 Fibonacci level. So the first squeeze which we had here for NIO, we can measure that here. That was one bigger move, but yeah, I can of course measure that in total, guys. We had here 109%, a beautiful squeeze. And when you have a squeeze like that, you always need a retracement, and then you will see the so-called post squeeze. Yeah, the chance is about 90% that this happens. If the company here is not diluting the stock, then the chance is about 90%. That's why I made this Fibonacci retracement here for you in the chart. What usually happens is that the stock comes down back to this 786 level here, so $5.63 in the case of NIO, or NIO. NIO, I think, is the pronunciation, and then we have to retest here the so-called golden pocket. So that means, guys, yeah, when the market makers, the bulls, can bring the price over $5.37, we have a very good chance to go back here to $6.08. This is what technically has to happen. Sorry when I say has to happen, the chance is about 90%. So that means we have a price increasement here of about 20%. If we want to see a continuation of a squeeze or even a short squeeze for NIO, guys, we need to break some certain price levels here. So the swing traders have a very easy game here, in my opinion. That was a perfect shakeout. It doesn't mean that we squeeze back to $6 today or come back to $6 today, $6.08. But of course, the next price actions here or the next days will decide that this golden pocket has to be retested before the price even come down. So when we now zoom in, or zoom out better to say, and I will show you here my chart pattern, because we didn't touch yet the top of the trend channel. So in the overall pattern, guys, yeah, very important, NIO is not in a bullish trend. Yeah, we're still in a downtrend. The only thing what we do is we cut out the profits here. Yeah, we make some it's not scalping, because the scalping is more for day traders, guys. This is like swing trading here. So we catch the prices here at the bottom of this trend channel, and when NIO reaches the top, usually we start to sell, or this is how you could do it if you want to trade a stock. This is not a financial advice. So that means overall we of course still here in this descending trend channel pattern, and that means it's a bearish pattern, guys. Overall, when we see where the bottom was or has been here, $1.19 was the lowest price we ever had. Of course, when we compare this, we are also trading here in some kind of uptrend. But as I said, the bottom is not in yet, and we have some hidden chart signals here that NIO has to come down to $3.97 or even to $1.55, just based on the open gaps, guys. Yeah, we have open gaps here in the chart. You can see there are even more. When I enable here the indicators, you can see here the orange lines in the chart, and that's what is good, guys. Also based on this Fibonacci retracement, we know that still here in this green box, in this green liquidity zone, is the support waiting right now. Yeah, based on the actual float, yeah, we have here between $4.42 and $3.28 some bullish support. So that's why I say, guys, just because we can go back over $5.37 and even go back over $6.08, that doesn't mean that we are here super bullish, because now we had here a squeeze attempt, but we didn't touch the trend channel bottom yet, guys, and usually that happens. So I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised if we see a second move here. I think back here to $7.30, somewhere here in this price range, $7.30. That would not surprise me, because we have one open gap here at $5.48. The next open gap is here at $6.56. So that would not surprise me when we see here a second post squeeze or a post move back to this trend channel top here, because we didn't touch it yet. You can see the candle is here, and this is the top. We didn't touch it yet, guys. Even a retest of $7.84 would be possible, because this is the real make it or break it price level for NIO. If we want to see here a big squeeze to the upside, yeah, or even a short squeeze back here in the $10 range and higher, we need to break $7.84. It's very simple here for NIO, guys. I have a lot of short squeeze stocks here, guys, which I can show you if which I have here always in my pocket. I release here every Sunday my so-called hot stock videos. I don't know if you already here joined the memberships, guys. These tickers here, or these videos which contain tickers with really, really high squeeze potential. Nobody's perfect, guys. I'm not perfect, but I give my best to predict short squeezes, and I have been successful. A lot of times there is no guarantee, but when I release those videos on Sunday, and these tickers usually can squeeze and have high potential to squeeze, guys. And while I'm doing this video, while I'm recording this video right now, one of my tickers is again squeezing, and we had already here even more than 358%, 380% in total. But as I said, the squeeze is still ongoing here. So this was Sunday where I released my hot stock video, guys, and then it took here, this is a 4 hours chart, 1, 2, 3 trading days, and yesterday the ticker started to pump 358%, guys. This is possible. You can also see here the Fibonacci retracement, the golden pocket. So this is what I want to show you here also for NIO. But if you also want to see here my short squeeze stocks, also the week before we had also 2 hot stock squeezes here, and this one here also squeezed 270%. If you want to see this content, guys, yeah, these are very, very secret stocks. I don't think you will find them here on YouTube. You can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package on Patreon. If you join in here, guys, you get of course full access to all my member videos, to the hot stock videos, and to my swing trade alerts, yeah, the screenshots for my swing trade alerts, which I just post on Patreon. If you want to join in, guys, here the links to the memberships are here. When you click this info button, you will see the links to the memberships, guys, and it doesn't matter if you are beginner or advanced trader, everybody is welcome to join in. We're growing here every day, so take a chance now, guys, and yeah, also take advantage here, because the prices for the memberships will be increased by Patreon, not by me, guys. I'm not doing that. Patreon will increase the prices by 30%. So if you join in before November 1st and don't quit your membership, you just pay the actual price and you never have to pay more. If you join in after November 1st, the price may be 30% higher. So take your chance now, guys, and yeah, get advantage of this discount here. So what I expect, guys, what I want to see, as I said, I want to see a retest here of this trend channel top here. I want to see that we close these 2 gaps, and that would mean, if we just ignore for a second here the pre-market price, that could mean we have here a potential price increasement of at least 17%, 27%, and in best case, yeah, with a normal bull pump, 52%. If we see some extraordinary volume incoming, and if we finally can break out of this very bearish trend channel, guys, then we can talk about a short squeeze here or a big squeeze for NIO, guys. Yeah, that's why I will keep you updated here. The market, guys, is squeezing right now. We have many squeezes in the market, and I think it's just a matter of time. We will see here some very big breakouts. Yeah, also for these tickers here, guys, I have no doubt that it will happen here very soon. But don't forget, no drama, no squeeze. The market makers always get the lowest possible price before they start to cover some positions or settle their fail to deliver. So don't FOMO in. Yeah, always try to get the perfect timing. And I think the price levels here are very clear on the chart, which you see here. You can, of course, pause the video if you want and copy the price levels here. As I said, $5.37 is key, guys. $6.56 is also one of the price targets, and $7.84 is the make it or break it price level where we decide to really squeeze or not. So you can, of course, pause the video and copy the price levels if you want. I zoom in a little bit for you that you can see that, guys. This is everything based here on TradingView. If you also want to get your own TradingView account, guys, you can use my discount link in the video description. If you use this link here, I show you that really quick, guys. It's an old screenshot, but it's this link. You also find it here when you click the info button here in the right on the corner, guys. Then you save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. I use TradingView for all my trades, guys, for all my videos. If you really want to learn trading, in my opinion, there is no better chart program out there, especially for this price here, than TradingView. This is my honest opinion, guys. So, guys, that was my update here on NIO. I hope that was helpful. If yes, if you like this content and if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for your time and wish you great success with all your trades. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.